Hi guys, so we're already finishing up with our hike. We're gonna be here for a while, just here in the forest. Like we have a little camp, but it's literally so beautiful here. I love it. But yeah, it has been really good so far. I'll catch you guys up later. This is me forgetting I had to do an outro after I came back from hiking. After we came back from hiking, all I did was go for a sunset swim with my family, and the sunset was so beautiful. Literally amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm not sure what my posting schedule will be, but I definitely want to be posting more, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and put on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. I love you guys, and Jesus loves you too.